The female night shift sleep problem. If you're a woman working night shift and can't sleep during the day, you're making one of these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1, using white noise. Women's hearing is more sensitive to high frequencies. White noise is 2,000 to 20,000 hertz. It's too loud for your ears but too high-pitched to block daytime traffic. You need brown noise, deeper frequencies that mask sounds without overwhelming your hearing. Mistake number 2, sleeping in good enough darkness. Women's circadian rhythms are more sensitive to light exposure than men's. Even a little light suppresses melatonin more in female bodies. You need pitch-black rooms, blackout curtains, tape-on door gaps, covered LEDs. Mistake number 3, using generic sleep content made for men. Most sleep research was done on male subjects. Female hormones, sleep cycles and recovery needs are different. You need sleep strategies designed for female shift workers. I created a 2- and 8-hour deep sleep videos with brown noise and delta waves specifically for women who work shifts. Link is in the description. Ladies, what shift do you work? Tell me in the comments.